Welcome students in online classes. Today discussed about matrix with syllabus in BSc second year. In the matrix we are considered article, transpose and orthogonal of matrices. In the previous lecture discussed about the matrix, what is matrix and structure of matrix and types of matrix, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices, etc. And now here first article is transpose of matrix. The definition of transpose of matrix is let capital A is equal to Aij m by n. Here symbol Aij is the element of the matrix capital A whose order is m and n. Then the n by m matrix obtained from here, please care, order of A is m by n, but new order means n by m, reverse of order of matrix capital A, obtained by from A by changing its row into columns and its columns into row is called the transpose of matrix capital A and is denoted by A dash or A T. Here each is symbol of transpose of matrix capital A. In this definition called that if any matrix you change to first row into first column, second row into second column, third row into third column, fourth row into fourth column, etc. Then develop new matrix by changing row into column is called transpose of that matrix and is denoted by A dash or A T. This is simple of the transpose matrix. Now consider an example from which clear what is the transpose of the matrix. If matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 3 4 3 4 2 1, order of this is known that here first row, second row, third row. So first write number of row means 3 and after then write number of columns. Column is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So here write 4. Therefore order of this matrix means matrix capital A is 3 by 4 and I want to transpose of this matrix means 8 dash also is denoted by A capital T and according by definition transpose of matrix capital A means A dash or A T is obtained by if first row write in the first column means 1 2 3 4 is first row, so is right in the first column 1 2 3 4. Here care that first row is 1 2 3 4, first row right in first column. Similarly second row right in second column means 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 and third row right in the third column, so 3 4 2 1. Okay, here numbers of row is first row, second row, third row and fourth row. There are fourth row, first row, second row, third row and fourth row. So first write the 4 into columns is 1, 2, 3. So here write 3. Order of this new matrix means by transforming to the first row into first column, second row into second column, and third row into third column. New matrix is denoted by A dash or AT. This order is 4 by 3, means the order of transpose of the given matrix whose order 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 and is denoted by A dash or AT. So by example it is clear that transpose of any matrix you can write, and by only changing to row into column. Next article is properties of transpose of matrix. Properties of transpose of matrices. First property is transpose of transpose equal to A, means transpose of transpose equal to A. And second property is transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Third property is transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A, where matrix A dash and matrix B dash are the transpose matrix of matrices A and B respectively. So in this article, means property of transpose of matrices is suppose that matrix are A and B, and A dash and B dash are their transpose matrix respectively. Then in the first property, so that transpose of transpose matrix is equal to original matrix. In the second article, second point, the sum of given matrix A plus B and the transpose of that is equal to sum of transpose of matrix A and transpose of matrix B. In third property, multiplication of given matrix AB and whose transpose is equal to multiplication of transpose B and transpose A, means in reversible process, multiplication of original matrix is equal to multiplication of their transpose in the reverse order, where A and B dash are the transpose of matrix of the matrix A and B, means here consider two matrix A and B, and A dash B dash are their transpose matrix respectively. Now want to prove these properties, means property first, property second, property third, by consider some examples, suitable examples. First property, first in the first, so that A dash is equal to A if A is equal to, in the proof, suppose that matrix A is equal to 2 0 1 and 7 1 0. Here consider a matrix capital A of 2 by 3 order, first row, second row, so write 2, and first, second, third column, so write 3. So consider a matrix capital A 2 1 0 7 1 0 order of 2 by 3. Then according by definition of transpose of matrix, it is implies that A dash is equal to, here A dash is write first row in first column. So 2, 0, 1, and second row in second column. So 7, 1, 0. This is called transpose of the matrix capital A, means A dash. Order of this matrix is, here write first row, second row, third row, means 3, and column is 2, so 3 by 2, means order of transpose is 3 by 2, while order of given matrix capital A is 2 by 3. I want to again transpose to the matrix capital A, so it is implies to A dash 2 dash is equal to, here transpose first row in first column, first row first column, second row second column, third row third column. So by matrix capital A 2 0 1 2 0 1, and second row is 7 1 0 7 1 0 is also order 2 by 3, therefore is equal to capital A. So it is clear that if you calculate the transpose and again transpose of any matrix which is always equal to original matrix, means matrix capital A, therefore it is clear that matrix of transpose to transpose equal to matrix A, hence proved. Now consider second property. In the second property, so that A plus B transpose equal to sum of transpose matrix corresponding there, and for this consider a matrix capital A. Consider here, prove that A plus B transpose equal to A dash plus B dash. In proof, consider two matrix capital A is equal to 3 1 7 9 2 0 2 3 7 1 and 3 by 3. This is order of 3 by 3. And consider matrix B. Matrix B is I minus 7 I minus 7 3 I minus 7 3 7 1 2 7 1 2 8 0 9 8 0 9. Here consider two matrix. Matrix A is equal to 3 1 7 9 0 2 3 7 1 of 3 by 3 order, and matrix B is equal to I minus 7 3 7 1 2 8 0 9. Both are 3 by 3 order, same order. Therefore, by definition of addition of two matrices, these matrices can be adding to each other, and it is implied that suppose A plus B, find first matrix A plus B. A plus B is equal to, here by definition of addition of two matrices, first element adding with first means 3 plus I, and second element adding with second means 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6, and third 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Write completely first row. In the first row, first adding first, second, and 7 with 7 according by definition, and second row adding with second row means 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. At last, third row adding with third row of matrix A with matrix B. So 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, and 7 plus 0 is equal to 7, and 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So in this addition, a plus b, 3 plus I, minus 6, 10, and 16, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, and 3 plus I is equal to 3 plus I, 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6, and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So it's complete of matrix A plus B. This order is 3 by 3. It is implies that transpose of A plus B, matrix transpose of A plus B. In the transpose case, by definition of transpose of the matrices, here write first row in first column. So 3 plus I minus 6 plus 10 means first row write in the first column, and the second row write in the second column. Second row is 16, first and fourth. So second row write in the second column means 16 1 4, 16 1 4. Third row write in the third column 11 7, 11 7, 10. 3 by 3 order. It is represented by first. So in the first equation, so that what is the value of A plus B, transpose of A plus B matrices, which is equal to this 3 plus I, 16, 11, minus 6, 1, 7, 10, 4, 10. Now calculate the transpose of A dash. Transpose of matrix A is equal to, here matrix A is equal to 3 1 7. So first column is 3 1 7, and write total A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash. Write first A dash. A dash 3 1 7. So 3 1 7, 9 0 2. So 9 0 2, 3 7 1, 3 7 1. Plus B dash. B is I 7, I minus 7 3. So I minus 7 3, I minus 7 3. 7 1, 7 1 2. At last 8 0 9, 8 0 9. Here write transpose of matrix A from matrix A, transpose of matrix B from matrix D according by transpose of matrices definition. So A dash plus B dash is equal to this and this, and adding to by systematic. So 3 plus I is equal to 3 plus I, 3 plus I, and 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, and 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 1 plus means minus 7 is equal to minus 6. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. At last third row, adding with third row of matrix A dash with matrix B dash. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Is represented by second equation. So in the second equation and first equation, it is clear that the A plus B transpose equal to sum of A dash plus sum of B dash. So here write from equations first and second, is clear that A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Hence proved property second. In the second property, prove that A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. For this, taken two examples, matrix A and matrix B. First calculate the A plus B, after then transpose of A plus B, which is represented by equation first, and A dash plus B dash A dash from A, B dash from B. Putting these values and adding systematically by matrix addition, so is equal to this. Here see that from equation first and second both matrices are same, therefore left hand side will be equal, means A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So this is proved. Now consider property third. In property third, consider two examples. Property third, prove that AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Therefore, for proof, let A is equal to matrix 3 1 7 0 3 1 7 0 and matrix B is equal to 2 5 2 5 3 minus 1 3 minus 1. Here consider two matrix 2 5 3 minus 1 3 1 7 0 3 1 7 0 of 2 by 2 order 2 by 2 order. So matrix A is equal to 3 1 7 0 and matrix B is equal to 2 5 3 minus 1. First calculate the value of A into B, means AB is equal to, putting the value of A 3 1 7 0 2 by 2 order and putting the value of B 2 5 3 minus 1 and 2 by 2. By definition of multiplication of two matrices, you know that about multiplication of the matrices. So first row first column, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 into 2 plus 1 into 3, 1 into 3, and first row second column 3 into 5, 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1, and same as second row multiply with first column and second row multiply with second column. So multiply by first column 7 into 2 plus 0 into 3 and second row second column 7 into 5 and 0 into minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 is of 2 by 2 order. Simplify to this matrix, row and column is equal to 6 plus 3 15 minus 1 and here 14 plus 0 35 plus 0 is equal to 9 14 and 35. 9 14 35. So 7 5 is 35 and 0 plus 0. Okay, it is 2 by 2 order and it is represented by, so it is implied that AB transpose, the transpose of the matrix AB according by transpose definition of the matrix is equal to, write first row in first column, so 9 14 second row in second column 14, 35 is represented by first. So in the first equation, transpose of AB matrix is equal to 9, 14, 14, 35 by article. In the article, right hand side is B dash A dash, so calculate the value of B dash and A dash, putting and find the value of B dash A dash means multiplication of B dash A dash. So B dash A dash is equal to, putting the value of B dash, putting the value of B dash. Here B is 2, 5, 3, 1. So by definition of transpose of B is called B dash, means here write transpose of matrix B means 2, 5 in first column, and second row in second column 3 minus 1. One time again taking to this, B first row in first column, second row in second column, same as for matrix capital A, and find the transpose of matrix capital A means A dash. So A dash is equal to first row first column, and second row second column is equal to, taking multiplication of these two matrices means first row first column 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1, first row second column 2 into 7, 2 into 7 plus 2 into 7 plus 3 into 0, 3 into 0. Second row first column 5 into 15, 5 into 3 plus minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1 into plus 1. Second row second column 5 into 7, 5 into 7 plus minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0 is 2 by 2 order matrix. Simplify to each element, so is equal to 2, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and 2, 7, 14 plus 0 is equal to 14, and 15 minus 1 is equal to 14, 14. At last 5 into 7 is equal to 35, because here plus 0 is order 2 by 2 is represented by second. So from first and second it's clear that AB dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So here write from first and second, AB dash is equal to B dash A dash is third property of the transpose of the matrices, which is proved. So in this case, first taken a matrix A and matrix B. Here you can taken of any order of the matrices, but it's important that by definition of the multiplication of two matrices which obey is must. Therefore first calculate AB is equal to and multiply this is equal to this. So transpose of AB is denoted by first equation, and after then calculate the value of B dash A dash multiplication form means B dash from B, A dash from A, according by transpose of the matrices taken multiplication form and applying the all rules of multiplication, find and simplification to this is equal to 9, 14, 14, 35. So from each equation second, from equation first and second, it's clear that AB dash is equal to B dash A dash, hence proved. So third property is proved. Next article is second, orthogonal of matrix definition is a square matrix capital Aij n by n is called orthogonal matrix if A dash is equal to I is equal to A dash A. This is important equation. When matrix capital A is orthogonal, means second is important point is square matrix. So any square matrix is orthogonal or not orthogonal if A dash is equal to identity matrix capital I is equal to A dash A. Means first find to the suppose that matrix A is a square matrix. Then first calculate transpose of matrix capital A means A dash and multiply A dash. After then A dash A and you seen that both multiply is equal to identity matrix. Therefore this equation satisfied and then you call matrix capital A is an orthogonal matrix. Okay, here consider some examples. Prove that matrix capital A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta is orthogonal matrix. In this question, prove that matrix capital A whose first row is cos theta sin theta and second row is minus sin theta cos theta is orthogonal matrix. Here clear that this is square matrix because it's 2 by 2 order. So first point of the definition is clear. Now calculate the transpose of a matrix and after then multiply to A and A dash and A dash A. So it is represent to A dash in the proof. Given matrix is capital A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So by definition of transpose of the any matrix, here matrix is a square matrix of 2 by 2 order. So by definition of transpose of the matrix, A dash is equal to, right here first row and first column, first column means cos theta sin theta and second row second column means sin theta into cos theta. So it is also 2 by 2 order. A dash is equal to cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Then by definition of orthogonal, calculate the value of A into A dash, then A into A dash, putting the value of A, here A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. It's 2 by 2 order matrix. First row is cos theta sin theta, second row is minus sin theta cos theta. After then putting the value of A dash, first row is cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Both are 2 by 2 order and taking multiplication by rules of multiplication of matrices, first row first column. So cos into cos square theta plus sin into sin square theta, and second column first row second column cos into minus sin theta, so minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta sin theta into cos theta, and second row with first column, so sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Second row, second column, so minus sin multiplied with minus sin is equal to sin square theta plus cos into cos is equal to cos square theta. Cos square theta is also 2 by 2 order. Here in the multiplication, first row, first column, so cos square theta plus sin square theta. First row, second column, so first row, second column is this minus sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta is cancels to each other because positive negative and positive negative sign, and second row, first column, so minus sin theta with cos theta with sin theta, so minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta here also cancels from each other due to positive and negative signs. At last sin square theta plus cos square theta only remain, and using two trigonometrical formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, here is equal to 0, 0, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by trigonometrical formula, so it is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. This is identity matrix of 2 by 2 order. Similarly, you can prove that the multiplication of similarly is denoted by first equation. Similarly, A dash A is also is equal to identity matrix is denoted by second. Here in this case, putting first the value of transpose of capital A and after then the value of matrix, original matrix capital A, then multiply these matrix and is equal to, you can find is equal to identity matrix 1 0 and 0 1. So here you can write that from equations first and second, from equations first and second, A dash is equal to identity is equal to A dash A. This is definition of orthogonal of the square matrix capital A. So it's clear that it is implied that matrix capital A is an orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Hence proved. Hence proved. So in any orthogonal matrix, it is important 2 points. First, matrix should be a square matrix. Second, A dash multiply is equal to identity matrix, and A dash A multiply also equal to identity matrix. For this, consider a matrix capital A cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is original matrix capital A, taken transpose of the original matrix capital A, which is equal to A dash, and first calculate A dash multiply. So by definition of multiplication of matrices is equal to first represented by first equation, means A dash is equal to identity matrix, is called identity matrix of 2 by 2 order. Similarly, here you can prove that A dash A is equal to I. So from first and second equation is complete, means second condition of the orthogonal matrix of capital A is proved. So for this is complete solution of the matrix A is orthogonal matrix, and taken next question, which is dependent on the orthogonal matrix. In the question second, so that the matrix 1 by 3rd of minus 1 to 2, second row is 2 minus 1 2, third row is 2 2 minus 1 is orthogonal. So in the solution, given matrix is capital A is equal to 1 by 3rd of 1 to 3, 1 by 3rd of 1 minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1. Matrix capital A is equal to 1 by third of minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1 2 and third row is 2 2 minus 1. By definition of transpose, here calculate the transpose of A dash. A dash is equal to 1 by third of first row right in the first column means minus 1 2 2. Second row right in the second column means 2 minus 1 2, and third row right in the second column 2 2 minus 1 is ordered 3 by 3. First row right in first column, second row right in second column 2 minus 1 2, and third row 2 2 minus 1 right in the third column. So A dash, and by definition of orthogonal, calculate the value of A dash means 1 by 9, and putting the value of minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1, and second minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1 2 2 2 minus 1, 3 by 3 order. So applying the rule of multiplication of matrices equal to 1 by 9. First row right with first column, so minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1, plus 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. First row second column, minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 2, plus 2 is equal to minus 2, here write minus 2, 2 into 2 plus 4. First row third column, minus 1 with 2, so minus 2, plus 2 with 2 plus 4, and 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Second row first column, 2 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and 2 into 2 plus 4, and second row second column, 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into plus 1, and 2 into 2 plus 4. Second row third column, 2 into 2 4, minus 2 is equal to minus 2, and 2 is also equal to minus 2. At last third row first column, 2 into minus 2, and 2 into 2 4. First third row first column, this is multiplied is equal to minus 2, and 2 2 4, and minus 1 2 minus 2. Third row second column, 2 into 2 4, 2 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2, and third row third column 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 3 by 3 order. Here taken simplification of each element, each row and each column is equal to 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. So 3 by 3, 1 by 9. 9 taken outside from the matrix, so 9 9 cancel from each other. 9 by 9 in matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, 3 by 3 order. It is implied that A dash is equal to identity matrix of 3 by 3 order is represented by first. Same as you can calculate the value of A dash A. Similarly, A dash A is equal to identity is represented by third. So in the first calculate A dash, and in second calculate A dash A. From first and second, from first and second, it's clear that A dash is equal to identity is equal to A dash A. This is complete definition of the orthogonal of matrix, any square matrix. Suppose that here capital A. So in this question, given matrix A is equal to 1/3 of this, here by transpose rule, calculate the transpose of matrix A, square matrix capital A. After then multiply to A dash, here 1/3 multiply with 1/3 is equal to 1/9, and A dash and A dash multiply this by multiplication rules of matrix A is equal to diagonal 9. So 9 taken outside and cancel from 9 to 9 is equal to 1. This is identity matrix. It is implied that A dash is equal to identity matrix capital A. Similarly, you can prove that A dash A is equal to identity matrix, which is represented by second equation. So from first and second equation, it's clear that A dash is equal to identity is equal to A dash A, means definition of the orthogonal matrix is complete, and given matrix is also a square matrix. Therefore given matrix capital A is orthogonal. It is implied that matrix capital A is orthogonal matrix. Hence proved. Its complete solution. Express the following matrix as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Matrix is given 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 2 minus 1 0, 3 4 3, 3 4 3, 1 to 4, 2 minus 1 0, 3 4 3, 3 4 3. Here in the solution, given matrix is denoted by capital A. Suppose that matrix square matrix capital A given is, so 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 2 minus 1 0, 3 4 3 is 3 by 3 order. Here given matrix is a square matrix of 3 by 3 order, which is denoted by capital A. In the question, capital A expressed as two sums, in which first sum means first sum matrix is symmetric matrix and second sum matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So you know that A is equal to, matrix A is equal to, can write 1/2 times A plus A dash and plus 1/2 times A plus A minus A dash, A minus A dash. Here consider two sum. First capital A matrix expressed in the form of two sum, in which first sum is 1/2 times of A plus A dash plus 1/2 times of A minus A dash. Here A dash is the transpose of the given matrix capital A. Here in the question, prove that this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. So is represented by first, and first calculate to A dash from above. A dash is equal to, here transpose of A dash, transpose of A is equal to, write first row in first column 1 2 4, 2 minus 1 0, 3 4 3 of 3 by 3 order. Then find the value of A plus A dash. It is implied that A plus A dash is equal to write first A and A dash. First adding with first is equal to 2, and 2 adding with 2 is equal to 4, and 3 adding with 4 is equal to 7. Second row, 2 adding with 2 is equal to 4, and minus 1 adding with minus 1 is equal to minus 2, and 4 adding with 0. 2 adding with 2 is equal to 4, minus 1 adding with minus 1 is equal to minus 2, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Similarly, third row, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. You have 3 by 3 order. So A plus A dash is equal to 2, 4, 7, 4 minus 2, 4, 7, 4, 6. Here matrix A is and transpose of A this. So adding this matrix with this matrix by rules of addition of matrices of 3 by 3 order. Now it is implies to 1 by 2 of A plus A dash is equal to multiply by 1 by 2, so is equal to 1, is equal to 2, is equal to 7 by 2. Here 2 minus 1 and 2, 7 by 2, 2 and 3. Is suppose that matrix capital B for some times, suppose that 1 by 2 times of A plus A dash is equal to matrix capital B. Now in the question, first prove that first part is symmetric matrix. So by definition of symmetric matrix, 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 transpose of B is equal to plus B is important definition of symmetric matrix. Therefore, first prove that matrix capital B is symmetric matrix. So here transpose of B dash is equal to, taken this is B matrix, transpose of this is equal to, first row write in first column 1, 2, 7 by 2. Second row write in second column, means 2 minus 1, 2. Third row write in third column 7 by 2, 2, 3. You know that, and observe here this matrix is same in this matrix 1, 2, 7 by 2, 1, 2, 7 by 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 2, 7 by 2, 2, 3. So this is same as matrix B. So you can write is equal to B. It is implies that B dash is equal to B, means matrix B is symmetric matrix. Matrix B is symmetric matrix. That is 1 by 2 times of A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is represented by condition second. So in the condition second, first part of the sum means 1 by 2 times of A plus A dash is proved that is symmetric matrix. After then calculate the second part, means 1 by 2 times of A minus A dash, and prove that this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. For this, now consider matrix A dash and find the value of A minus A dash, means second part of the sum of equation first. So A minus A dash is equal to, here subtraction of A minus A dash means A minus A dash. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Same as in the second row. Second row is here 2 minus 1 0, and 2 minus 1 4. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and minus 1 minus minus plus 1, that is 0, and 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. At last, third row is 3 4 3 4 0 3. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is matrix A minus A dash 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 minus 4 and 3. It is implied that 1 by 2 times of A minus A dash is equal to matrix 0 0 1 by 2 and 0 0 minus 2 and minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 2 and 0. This is 2 by 2 order and is represented by matrix C. So here in the according by question, prove that matrix capital C is skew symmetric matrix. For this, by definition of skew symmetric matrix, by definition of skew symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, transpose of C is equal to minus C. So here prove that transpose of C is equal to minus C. Then write transpose of C dash is equal to transpose of this is equal to 0 0 1 by 2, and second row is 0 0 minus 2, third is 1 by 2 2 0 is equal to minus times C, because if taken multiply by negative sign, so is equal to 0 0 plus 2, so 0 0 plus 2, 0 0 minus 2, 0 0 minus 2, minus plus 0 minus plus 0. So it complete that C dash is equal to minus C. It is implied that by definition of skew symmetric matrix C means 1 by 2 A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix is represented by third. So from first, second and third, it's clear that any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Here first part is symmetric matrix which proved, and also second part is skew symmetric matrix which is also proved here. Here 1 by 2 times A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. So here can write that from equation first, second and third is proved that any square matrix, any matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Hence proved. So the students today discuss about some questions which are dependent on the matrix, transpose of matrix and orthogonal of matrices, and next lecture taken some properties of matrices which are dependent and have many questions on dependent on the articles. So thanks.